Hey there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. I got a 2023 GMC Acadia. Look at this. Red in color, red tint coat, alloy wheels, privacy glass around the back, chrome accents, sharp car. We got power liftgate, remote start, keyless entry. Good room back here. If you need more, you can split fold down those seats. That's the third row. Let's stick this down, all-wheel drive, 6 cylinders, got a clean Carfax, all set up, ready to go. Guys have went through it and checked it all out. If it needed anything, we did it. It's also got factory warranty left on it, so look at that. Split seats in the middle here, quad seating, nice clean black seat. We got rear heat air control, plug-ins, heated seats back here, nice sleek dash line, AM/FM satellite Bose system, Apple Play, Android Auto, plus navigation, plus more. Dual automatic climate control, auto shift, heated and cooled seats. Can you see that right there? There's your terrain select too. Radio and cruise control on the steering wheel, heated steering wheel, adaptable cruise, and it's got collision, power windows, door locks, mirrors, memory seat, nice analog gauges, nice vehicle. What's this thing missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out pictures, tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.